Hello, this is a quick video on YouTube. And on this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bet365 to earn extra money when needed for people who are not familiar with the app. Just going to have a look through Bet365 here. So as you can see at the top, it says top sports, horse racing, soccer, baseball, boxing / MMA. We're going to actually click on horse racing here. And you can see there's race 1, race 4, race 2, different races. And I've got my set at £5 right now. So as you see, all you do is click on it and it will tell you what you can get in return. If that horse wins, I earn an extra £10. And if I lose, I've lost £5. This horse, depends on what horse, the less likely the horse is to win, the more money you will make. So horse, soccer, baseball, boxing / MMA. They have American football, Australian rules, baseball, basketball, bowls, boxing / MMA, cricket, cycling, darts, esports, Gaelic sports, golf, greyhounds, horse racing, ice hockey, lotto, motorsports, Formula 1 and NASCAR, politics. Wow, politics. Interesting. Next year's election, etc. Pool, rugby, league, rugby union, snooker, soccer, specials, speedway, table tennis, trotting, virtual sports, volleyball, winter sports, ski jumping and a few other things. More sports, handball, squash, surfing, water polo. Yeah, and you just basically predict the outcome. Win, lose, draw, who scores first, all type of different things. And you earn money if you get it right.